Alright guys, I want to use this medium time to tell you about some of my supplements. I mean, you can see them like this. Oh, beautiful, 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 right? Yes, they're beautiful. Don't forget you're watching AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. You want to get white? Retalk, yeah? These are the supplements you need. You can see. And they work faster. Like some persons, they ask me, yes, they really work? And as at those time, I try to stop people because the fake ones are too much, you understand? But right now, the original one, they dominate those fake ones right now. So, yes, they're really working. They're really working. Don't forget I said this. Look at this. They're working. You look for good supplement, just call out us. You know the number on your screen, just call out us. Any product y'all need, I told you, yes, we invade everywhere with our product right now, you know, because we are original. Wherever you are, be in the US, Canada, Asia country, UK, Europe, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Even you in Nigeria, I swear, we deliver. We global now, you know what I mean? So retalk. Whatever you need, even good whitening cream, you can see we have all. We have all. We have all. We global now. So try to place your order. Place your order right now. Don't go put your money in the waste bin. For those of you who want cheap products, please put in the right place. Your customer also, they will like you because you give them good product. You understand? So from henceforth, start contacting us.